this module, learn how to set stock reorder levels and use the stock level warnings dashboard. This dashboard displays current stock levels, sales and purchases on order, and calculates recommended reorder levels for you. Purchase orders can be quickly created from here, which simplifies reordering and prevents stock shortages. Let's begin by setting up a stock reorder level. Head to Materials and expand a material item's details by selecting it and clicking Edit. At this stage, you may want to make sure that you have the supplier of that item set up. This will allow you to filter and order by supplier in the stock level warning dashboard later. Click on the orange pen next to stock level. Let's say that we want to reorder this grey pick rack whenever stock levels fall below 30 units. You can also set a stock max level, which is the maximum level you want to top up your stock levels to. This gives you an inventory buffer, allowing some headroom when it comes to lead time, while also ensuring you don't order too much stock. Now that we've set up the stock reorder level and max level, let's take a look at the stock level warning screen. Go to stock level warnings under the Home tab. Here we can see the grey pick rack with its set reorder level of 30. We can also see that there are only 25 units in stock at the moment. Additionally, there are 3 units not yet received from suppliers, minus 2 units that are on order to customers. Altogether, this gives us a working total of 26 units. This working total is then subtracted from the max level to give us a recommended reorder of 34 units. Reordering 34 units will top up our inventory back to the stock max level of 60. Please note that if there was no max level set up, the reorder level would be used in place of it in this calculation. You can make a purchase order to the grey pick rack's recommended supplier by clicking on the item name or the checkbox next to its recommended reorder. Other line items can be added to this order too, if they are for the same supplier and/or location. You can also use the filters at the top to filter by location and supplier. Then click Create Purchase Order for selection. This brings you to the purchase order screen. The location, supplier, material items and quantity to be ordered are already filled out for you. So from here, you can just send the purchase order. When we come back to the stock level warnings dashboard, you can see that the grey pick rack and fender washers have disappeared. This is because the purchase order we just sent increased their working totals to a level above the stock reorder level. This number is the reorder multiplier. When it is set at 100%, material items will appear on the dashboard whenever their working total is less than 100% of their stock reorder level. The reorder multiplier is adjustable, which is helpful if you want to be warned that your stock levels are approaching the reorder level before they actually reach it. This is particularly useful with the long lead times for ordering stock nowadays. To adjust the reorder multiplier, go to Company under Global Settings and click on the Sales and Purchases tab. Down here, let's change the reorder multiplier to 1.2, which is 120%. After this, head back to the stock level warning dashboard to see the impact. The 100% has changed to 120%. This means that items will now appear on the dashboard whenever the working total is less than 120% of the reorder level. The item large welding glove was not here before, but it has now appeared. This is because 120% of its reorder level is 36 and its working total is 31. So the working total is now less than 120% of the reorder level. This means that the stock for the large welding glove is approaching the reorder level, indicating that we should order more. Also note that the working total for the large welding glove is black, while it is red for the other items. This is because the working total appears red if it is lower than the reorder level. The working total appears black if it is greater than the reorder level. In summary, you can set up stock reorder levels and stock max levels for each material item per location. The stock level warnings dashboard displays material items at or approaching their reorder level. It shows their current stock level, reorder level, and max level, along with unreceived purchase orders and items on order to customers. The stock level warnings dashboard calculates a working total and gives you a recommended reorder level. From here, you can easily create a purchase order for the item. You can adjust the reorder multiplier to make items appear on the stock level warning dashboard before they fall to the reorder level.